Hi, Jordan Hanna with MarineMax Jupiter, and I'm standing on a brand new Boston Whaler 350 Realm. This boat was custom ordered for inventory and loaded with options. Things you'll notice just right off the bat, gorgeous looking color combo. We've got the steel blue hull with black accents in the powder coating, stripe, rub rail with stainless insert, and then off the transom here we've got triple V10 400 Mercuries, also with a matching painted steel blue accent stripe. Boat looks super sharp and really look forward to going through it with you. Alright, standing in the cockpit here, you'll notice that this boat is designed for versatility. So you've got a lot of great comfortable seating on the boat. You can see here we've got two opposing seats. Press a button, you've got the extended sunshade here to keep you in the shade. This seat will flip out of the way, give you a nice open cockpit for fishing. We've got two huge fish boxes here, port and starboard. You've got your live well on the port transom, rod holders across the back, rod holders in the side here. So this boat really does everything well. So see here, you've got your summer kitchen, electric grill. So you're at the sandbar, everybody's having soggy sandwiches while you're cooking up burgers and dogs, kebabs, all kind of stuff here. So great feature to have on the boat. I really like this seat here, and it's unique on a 35-foot boat to have two rows of forward-facing seating behind the helm. This one really gives you three with this seat here, but this seat flip-flops, so if you're fishing, watching your lines, trolling, this is a cool spot that you can sit and look aft. If you're hanging out at the sandbar, you have kids swimming in the water, it's another spot too that's elevated up facing aft. So great spot. You've got beautiful teak top tables that mount here, and you can also put one in between these two seats. This boat has a cooler box, so quick access there. And then check out how large this area is. You've got a divider with a sliding shelf here giving you great access. So especially if you're on long trips, great spot to put all your snacks and drinks and stuff. Flip up piece here for your feet. You got some tackle storage there. You've got I really like this on this boat. You've got a port side door here, but if you're at a fixed dock, fixed pier at low tide, this is a great way getting in and out of the boat. So really offers a lot there. So you'll see that this boat has the new high gloss teak package, which offers a great luxury accent to the boat. You've got AC vents here for the second row. This is where that other table can mount here. And then check this out. This helm seat will spin around, and now you've got two seats facing each other underneath the hard top. Put your table out. It's a great spot to have lunch, hang out with friends. It's just, there's just so much to this boat. It's so versatile for just different ways that you can enjoy it. Up at the helm here, see again with the high gloss teak package. It's a great look to the boat. We did equip this boat with a joystick and bow thruster, so just maneuvering in tight spaces around the dock, it really takes all the stress out of boating. You're probably used to seeing it with the joystick, but the bow thruster is just that next added element of comfort, you know, when you're docking. This one's equipped with twin 16-inch Sinrad NSO screens. That's the latest and greatest from them. And that actually will allow you to control a lot of the components, lights and pumps and things on the boat from your screens. This boat is really loaded with options. It's got Seakeeper, it's got open array radar, and all that, you know, you can control here through the screens. A huge windshield. So, you know, unique layout with this boat, you know, having the walkway just on the port side up to the bow is that they stretched your console out more. So you've got a huge windshield, blocks a lot of that wind when you're on long trips. It's got a nice vent there though, if you want to get a little bit of that, you know, natural AC, but you do have top deck AC on this boat as well. So a couple more vents here. And now walking into the cabin, you'll see it's really a huge space for a 35-foot boat. You've got wraparound seating there, but that all fills in to make it into a bed. You've got TV, and for a 35-foot boat to have a separate head is pretty unique. So great use of space and really a lot to offer on 35-foot. All right, walking up to the bow, you'll see that you've got real high gunnels. They are padded with bolsters here. So it's a real safe place to walk up on the boat even when you're underway. And then just look at this entertaining area. You've got a spot here very comfortable for 3 people to face forward, lay out, feet up. You got cup holders, armrests. This is a beautiful teak table underneath this cushion, but in its current form, this will drop down, make this into a little bit larger layout, bed area, cup holders, stereo controls. This does have upgraded JL audio, the premium audio, so incredible sound system on this boat. And as good as it looks, it rides even better. And this is definitely one that you're gonna wanna see in person. So my name is Jordan, again with MarineMax Jupiter. Would love to talk to you more about the boat. Give us a call.